So this one, we call it the class. We call it the kids, the Lamante family kids community. I'm saying we are at normal family kids candles. We light it for the spirit of oneness amongst kids. I want to know why those visitors got a school of Lapana, Utolabanya, Maumia, Buya, Muda, Utoya Figiswa. Mkubulabanya baba fagumundana kuita drama pimba sala peso. Wow. So the grab the more that is the Africa oneness one. Leading at boys to men. It's a palangi. It's a boys to men kendo. Don't ya kula wanye ba so wanye ba tintin. Omunu kula nje abe mbano ngakwazi ukuba emene responsible ukuthi nje amelunde na tintin. Ngoba we allowed imoya emibi umngeni zokuphazamisa esifana le family union girls to adulthood, that's that one, the marijuana one, pink level dove, right? So maningi, I think into everything everything here is able to live now in your systems way, so that there was who da mangi ayenze nge national actual camp ile ndawe yenza nge
ngiyabona ya
computer kodwa eshekeli lamso zona lezi zinto nazo during our trademark ziyafakwa under this candle kodwa sikwenza ngani ngomshini ne actual candle leli silibiza the moon star dream catcher di brown lokumhlobo kwala sifake imithi noma izinto ezin-encourage amaphupho ne-mentality yakho ungaphuphi nambani uvuka ukwazi ukuthi yini oyiphuphile. It allows you to follow ama-dreams. So bangaka abantu abadala izinto abanye abantu badala umshayini abanye ufuna ukwazi nje iphupho lakhe and amaphupho siyawachaza. So there is a lot of business here engasenzela into eziningi kakhulu. Nansa ni-sleeping bed society designer ingakabi the actual candle. Yes. So let's use a holy hand candle. Ingakabi actual candle. This is the holy hand candle. Fundega is invite good spirits to dwell in your home and one of all events. Camera. So send Puma Puma products. Now never explain I'm floating candles. Sine those kuluma kuna badaba zetwa swe. Umtoko na ba sugar. Izo no lazi ndizo ndakwa. Oyivu. Ngani omunye uvukela is prophet. Akakhulumile prophet wanu ngakhulumile utho. So the third eye. Amanda kamoya bula sangoma umntana miyakula bula sangoma umntana miyakula. See for me, decide for me sangoma. Your spiritual power is a memory trap. Everything that has any meaning to you whatsoever is trapped in your mind, enabling you to recall and use any memory you need. Your spiritual power is a dreamer. You dream of things way before and way after they happen, seeing into the future and the past as a spiritual eye. Amanza mnyama is when Israel is depending. Joba kunjengini, all spirits are bad. So amanza mnyama, so this is a situation where ancestors are in complete misery and they have no good communication amongst themselves and their human families. This situation could be deliberately brought about by someone with the aim of creating instability among the living, the dead, and the both. So I wanted you to say it because you are going through this. So that's the reason I have the need of cleansing. That's the reason I told you. As Tangani just spoke with sevens, I know, oh, yeah, it's a penalty. the others is too small for what we are aiming to achieve together. So I'm going to deal with this in you. The prophetic power, candle. Ma ufungwezi church, ma wangamboni mina, unantu the prophet, na ulumtela mantama kesweki, bapume uke uchume wete church. In a religion, a prophet is an individual who is regarded as being in contact with a divine being, and is said to speak on behalf of that being, serving as an intermediary with humanity by delivering messages or teachings from the supernatural source to other people. This candle brings extra power and prophetic ability. There's more about this. I wrote articles about this. So, amandla othando. Uyazi ukuthi uthando lulodwa ludinga ukukhanyisela. Ngoba imoya emibi bazoyifaka isipiritual attraction, love, self-love, romance, reconciliation, lust, courage, willpower, determination and strength. Thando kumele manje. And then nina awamandla othando. You know that in your situation, abantu bahlukana umnyele umnyele. I thank you for also being strong. Allow them to talk stories or whatsoever. In a prayer, call in your ancestors in meditation. This is likely the easiest and the fastest way to feel their presence. Call in whichever ancestor by name you feel most connected to, and ask them to talk to you or change things or bring about whatsoever. But remember, ukukhuluma nabo kungananto eyenziweyo ukuthi that link ibe khona. Ufana nomuntu okhuluma wena. Just having a prayer that ends here in the ceiling is not enough. It must shoot to where you have directed it to. The other candles, what did I send again? So, Mkatel.
Yes.
This is the logo, the candle project here. So, I want to this more orange or any other colors, because a business is not a one-man thing. Decided, as far as I understand. So now, we brand crowd. We brand crowd. We are told the list of their logos, and then you see what what is it that they can have that can adapt and change it to your own design. That's what I was doing here. Like the star eye fortune came from here. This is brand crowd. I value over the Tatile Google 9. And you open an account with them. Some you can pay for them, some you can just bypass and have them. So, I keep up Salis. KG, that's Popular Production. So, I'm going to do 2021 new toilet designing. So we can come with a lot of. So to make a long as putting in general, I'm told it in the Amsterdam. So there's funeral at the Langito. Me send the low graphic designer. Please, I want you to remove that dot. I want you to add 1, 2, 3 so that I have that meaning. When you are going upon a family union, you have it is here. You have sort of a moon that is containing the light, saving it from kind of falling. And then we have those dots that can serve as other planets guiding Earth. Earth alone without sun is not enough. Lana, right away now we are going to do evoking and invoking. Camera, Tolanje Iskali, would you allow him to do person? Right? We'll play some Lana. Yeah, Kulume, Lana, I'm going to bring him to you. I'm not bringing him to you that abuser. Remember, I am a father. If you really love this person, when he comes back, please care about his other interests, especially those ones as in Ubuntu. I'm saying this because sometimes you bring a man to a woman now abuses a person. No revenges. When he has come, just love him as good as you did before. Thank you. If you call in the next 10 minutes, so we ready to work. Thanks.
Where do you think will be more private?
I think.
Anyway, you can pick anything.
You can check the yard, you can check inside the house.
Outside.
Outside is better because it won't cause you a lot of job for cleaning.
Yes. Come check just in the baking.
No, it's okay. It will be fine. Clarity, peace, spirituality, enlightenment, prophecy, clairvoyance, clarity, rest, wholeness, and joy. White also heals emotions, so this is the white candle. Provides protection, repels negative energy, reveals tension, and aids in meditation. So the white candle represents happiness, unity. That's why the union candle is white. And I say it's unity. And unity. And it is the highest spirituality. And it is the highest spirituality. I shouldn't have said spirituality. It is the highest spirituality. And the highest level of is the highest spiritual level, I should have said that, of consciousness to protect, purify. So you know the English and the here. White represents also the truth and unity and harmony. Lighter the candle, let the enemy see lighter like see later even that honesty and ubumbano. No bambana in gender as couple or as family. So you get that one. It's more blue. I put something like an egg but that can be used to contain or to keep whatever you might deem necessary. It's like Uganda, but I make it blue to follow the color of the water. For the fact that I don't know whether I'm fooling myself to believe that water is blue.
Yes.
The candle is called rain droplet. Imvula is something even when you dream about it, ignitor. It's a sign, symbol, and alertness that you need a cleansing, a strong cleansing. Bronze is a strong grounding, lip bronze, the candle. Bronze is a strong, grounding, earthly color. A bronze can assist in clear thinking and decision making. It promotes concentration, intuition, material gain, wealth, common sense, and stability. It also encourages intuition and telepathic abilities. Some people use bronze for manifestation. I should have said manifesting magic and the connection As is a long side. We will read all this through. But at least I'm trying.
No, you didn't. You're not trying.
With connecting with the realm of animals. So you've got business rewards, professional growth, that's our expectation now, prosperity, friendship and unity. That's the rain droplet. So you got a plant seedling, pretty fun in the organic spring water, plant seedling. You got water and fire element, love line, harmony, honeymoon, romance, love, self-love, weddings are emotional ties, peace. You can combine it with that one. You got a pine tree, green flames. Now, it's a yellow candle. Yellow candles are used to symbolize brain power, focus, concentration, intellect, creativity, logic, learning to improve visualization, to improve memory. Use yellow for confidence, charm, persuasion, attractiveness, to compel another to do your bidding. Also for inspiration, knowledge, wisdom, mental strength and clarity, communication. It stimulates your personal power and self-esteem and promotes cheerfulness and an optimistic outlook. Use it to invoke, represent the element of air. Element of air. He or she who lights a yellow candle is seeking to access the wisdom of the ages and garner control over the full benefit of their own mental powers, clarity, manifest creativity. Yes, it was in business as well. You light a lot of candles. Confidence, visualization, and intelligence. But yellow must say with combination of light and business. Stick. So in our case, you can any yellow, you can any gold, you can any silver in combination. You will the gains and sustenance in things that we are doing. But it's not just candles, they've got to be built to adapt to spirituality, because even our lucky stick now, they didn't just take a stick as any stick or even a toothpick lighter. They have got things that they put there. But when says were intervened, we are demonized them. Evening mountain. Here if ungabuga, ngifake o mountain bus about 3. Evening mountain. It is when now let's imagine the entire look green because it is near us. The one wood looks more blue than it is in the sky because of the distance. And then the range of the mountains, Zina Koboke. The one which is near you looks greener, looks bluish and powder. The color becomes faint as they go in perspectiveness. So that also has a meaning in spirituality. Now, the evening mountain is an orange candle. Orange candles are a combination of yellow to bring about orange. It's a combination of yellow, mental agility, and the red. It's a combination of yellow and red, and you bring orange. Action energy, you know, red, you go Valentine, there's about red and white. That is energy and ukanya. Do I sound having knowledge here, or I sound like somebody practicing to force business and just make a living? When I'm talking like this, I'm thinking of a certain movie, African movie, but South African movie. Is a friend of mine. He used to be Rapulana Saint Pemo. Kenneth Nkos is there. We have a lot of them there. In the Jerusalem, Gangster's Paradise. Who create something out of nothing. I check ama government flats langa sebenzio vacant or underbound or underbandigazi, but because they've got some certain issues, you bring a dispute, you take over, knowing that even if the owner will use the dispute, whether you will have gained from the rentals, you go there and cut the rentals half, you know that you don't have a maintenance expenditures, and that is your man. And then you have to see yourself risking life there, fighting, gunshots, Nigerians, whatnot. Sometimes I don't want to sound like that. Or do I sound knowing?
You sound knowing.
And you're actually educated.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Now, we get orange from red and yellow. So red uni power. Valentine, even Maulua, easy red color comes in. So thus you have the best of both worlds in yellow and red. Orange solar energy builds vitality, energy, and stamina. Orange candles help in spells for attracting success. So this candle, I called it the sparkling moon. Why the moon? I've heard from the beginning of mankind, our great-grands and our forefathers worldwide were doing the rituals of the moon. Even today, rituals of the moon. Just as good as festivals of the harvest, whereby if they had enough rains and harvested well, they would give that thanksgiving to God to say, God, you gave us enough rains, sachala savuna. We have enough crops and food for us and our animals. And then they thank God in response through some certain rituals, through some certain ceremonies. They call it festivals of the harvest. Our rituals of the moon. Is the moon half? Is the moon full? It has its own meaning. Is the moon at the dying stage? Is the moon at the beginning stage? Right, but inyanga ingaba na uyahlanya zayeke ingaba la. Omunye uba right mayisikala ukuyofas yambuye. It's symbolical. It's celestial. So now, attraction of success, prosperity, good fortune, good luck, business, and a career success. And for attracting others in a positive way. Orange is orange is outgoing and assertive. It encourages fun and discourages laziness. It energizes the entire system, promotes a happy lucky appearance. So orange candles help with adaptability, creativity, sexual attraction, sexual stimulation, joy, energy, courage, success, attraction. I think I was repeating there. All this is a content, we can't read it all.
You can go for this for years,
So
decades.
I'll send them to you.
I'm sure your clothes are fine now, eh? I think so.
Yes.
No,
So-
anytime. This is home. You don't have any cook to wash. See if I can machine.
Perhaps iron.
Iron.
Yes.
Yeah, we will. And you know that you also sort.
Yes, I think what I'm going to do. Camera. If he does the podcast and he does do me something, because we've got a lot of raw content, I just do 1 or 2 posts and then I rush to check some other old men who's got our 1, 2, 3 cars
Okay.
that needs to be sorted.
No problem.
2 Chryslers, one, a Volvo, those long ones, they use them in funerals.
Oh yes.
I know those ones, you sell them quick.
Yeah.
And then I've got 2 6 Series with this guy who does the Range Rover. And another 6 Series is at my apartments there in Kibla Park. There's 2 Z4s. There's Viano, the bus. On the Viano, I think we're going to have to Google and find a box. We can sort that one, but I don't believe in sorting gearboxes.
Oh.
So I'll need one. And then we have got A5 Quattro Audi. I think it's a box again. They got it to run with minimal, or what we call oil, I think. Those cars, we'll fix them and we sell them.
I'll get buyers for them.
I will show you my certificates for the mines. I have them there. So what I want us, what I'm doing, I'm introducing you in the world of mining. My father-in-law, the father of my other wife, the one which was number 2. When I went, last month, he sold gold. He had 500, nearly 600,000 user. He had on the other hand around it's 500,000 rand, sorry, or 300,000. I think the money that he had on hand, having sold gold, was $1,400,000, $1,500,000.
What?
So,
1,100,000.
1,500,000.
I think what are they to us grants?
Yeah, he gave me
about money.
the money.
Yes.
He bought my truck of the money that I used to sell this year. He bought my truck, gave me nearly 200,000. Remember, that person is in a poor zim.
Baba, camera. Now you call it.
So, with the mining, with mining, you guys can say, we need mining, we need capital to run this insurance. I'm going to say no. We don't need that, it is there. It's all of us engaging into having it here.
With us, when we're going to need a lot of money, when we start underwriting. Right now, what we're basically doing is just, because we've partnered with these other bigger companies, we're trying to build a big database where at least our target is to at least have 100,000 clients, paying clients every month. Once we get to that, we raise at least 10 million. 10 million is so that we are independent, we are our own underwriters. We no longer have to partner with Mutual, King Price, First for Women, and then those other companies.
That is 10 million.
And once we can do that, then I think, the rest is history.
What I will say will sound maybe a bit fun. When we have to raise 10 million to do this mining project, 10 million is taken. In a worst scenario, my mines give, let's say, 5 grams per ton. In a worst scenario. In that 5 grams per ton, we do per se, let's give it west of the west, 3 grams per ton. And then you do, I need to calculate, and then you do work it out for me, dollar. And then you do 10, 12, 110, 3,900. Let us do 20,000. Let us do 10,000 times. Say you got 3 grams per ton. 3 grams per ton.
And you said a ton is 10,000.
No, we want 10,000 tons.
Okay.
So our 10,000 tons, each ton give us 3 grams. How many grams do we have?
So I want to understand this one. So 3 grams times 10,000.
3 grams times 10,000.
It's 30. 30.
That's 30 grams per ton.
I'm not getting it. In a ton, we've got 3 grams. So it means a lorry of 10 tons give us 30 grams. So 100 loads, which is, 10 loads give us 300 grams.
Yes.
That's 10 loads. So 10 loads is 100 tons. I was saying that?
Yeah, because you said a ton is 10,000. So it's going to be multiplied by 10.
10. Yeah,
Makes
so
it 100.
10,000 tons, which means 100 tons is 300 grams, so say. So 1,000 tons is 3 kgs. Now I'm getting it right. So 3 kgs times 10 times that one.
So it's still 30. 3 times 10 is 30.
So we have 30 kgs.
Yes.
And a kg give us, like when we sell here in Zanzi, it's between 700,000 and 1.1 million a kg. When we sell there, to them it's better because you sell with the dollars. You get
That rate of the service is not the same as this one.
you get 100,000 US dollars per kg. So you have got 30 million there. You've got 31 million when you are selling here in South Africa. When you are selling in Zimbabwe with dollars, and you get them not to mix your money with their bloody cat bond. That currency is not currency. It's not currency. That paper. If you get them not to mix it, you just have your connections. They don't give you that paper. It's not money that thing's a paper. Money, a real money buys in any country. That money, if it is out of Zimbabwe, it's just paper and other paper. So, if you get connections like us, we have minds long there, we tell them we're not going to deal with that paper. We want to use US dollar only.
Yeah.
100,000 rand per kg, which is 1,600,000. Get me 1,600,000 times 30.
Times
30.
times 30 kgs.
1,600,000.
1.6.
Did you say 1,600,000, right?
Yes.
1.6.
1.6 million times 30.
Yeah, that's it.
So this is
1.6.
right.
No, that's 16.
Oh. 1.6
6 million. There you go. Times 30, right?
Is it 30 or 30?
30.
30.
48 million.
48 million.
Huh?
48 million.
So,
Yeah.
even if we had to achieve this,
Yes.
even if we have to achieve this, unyaka wonke,